Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be taking care of some pruning and harvesting and watering around the garden. Ohio has been in a drought for a while now. I don't know how long it's been since we've had rain, but I know that it's been a while. And I can really tell because my little ponds are getting lower and lower and lower. I'm still topping and pruning tomato plants. Right now in the season, it's August, so I'm just trying to let any fruit that's on the plant mature, but not encourage new fruits anywhere else. My tomato plants have done so well this year. One of my goals was to be able to grow some of the bigger slicer tomatoes, and I have been able to do that, and I'm so grateful. We enjoyed those tomatoes so much, and we were even able to give some away, which is really awesome. Our peppers have been growing like crazy. Every other day we're pulling in peppers, and I've been trying to keep up with drying peppers and also using them fresh. We've been able to give tons of peppers away to family and friends and co-workers, and it's been really nice. One of the things that I promised myself that I would get better at this year in this garden is watering. And I'm afraid to say that I have been really bad at it. I started off strong, and then come mid-July, I just got tired. My garden season starts in January. That's when I start planting, starting seeds indoors. And for me, I've been gardening for, it's August now, I've been gardening for 8 months straight, and I am kind of burnt out. So during this period, I'm going to water everything that I can, maybe not get to it every day, but definitely trying to water when I have time, and then not worry if I happen to lose a few plants along the way. I definitely need to take a step back and get a little bit of rest right now. Pretty soon it'll be fall cleanup, and I will be back out here pulling, raking, digging, adding new soil. Like there's plenty to do that's coming up very soon. So if I can catch a little break between, I'm gonna do that. Another thing I told myself I wasn't going to fuss over this year are weeds. I haven't let any weeds go to seed, but I haven't been just forcing myself to get out there and constantly pull. I have been mainly just taking care of the plants that I have growing that I love and know of, and then pulling weeds, a little here and there when I'm in the area. Also not allowing any weeds to get too big in the garden. As the plants in the garden get tired, I have been removing them and not replanting anything else. I like my garden to wind down, and then I can casually move things to the compost bin as they are spent. I've been also collecting lots of seeds for my garden, so if you have not started collecting seeds, now is a great time to check for seeds on your plant and then try to collect some to save for the next year. With the heat we've been having in August, it has been so difficult to keep the chickens cool. And you'll know your chickens are hot when they have their wings extended a bit and they're panting. My chickens have been so hot, and as a chicken owner, it's kind of scary to see them panting and looking a little overheated. So one of the things that I do is I make sure that their waterers are filled with fresh water each day. I come out several times and kind of top off the water basin with cooler water. And then I also try to spray around their run. And then I hose off the top of their coop just to cool everything down. It seems to help, but you know, it's hard to know like when it's just way too hot and like what else can I do outside of putting a fan out there, which would scare them half to death. Just like me spraying water scares them half to death. We're doing our best and the chickens seem okay. I've been collecting peppers over the last week or so, and since our family hasn't used them or given them away, I'm gonna go ahead and dry another round of peppers. This is my second pepper round, drying round that I'm doing. It typically takes around 2 days to fully dry the peppers if I run it non-stop, which I don't. So typically in the evenings I will turn it off, and then in the mornings I'll turn it on again. I don't like having it running 24/7. I live in an old house and I don't really want to like short circuit anything or blow anything up. So I'll show you guys what my last round of peppers look like when they were dried. These peppers will be used for cooking along with making different spices this fall and winter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!